Cindy Taylor is just a normal 26-year-old from Smyrna, Georgia, with a very abnormal habit. She's addicted to pizza crust. Cindy's compulsion has spiraled out of control, causing her to consume crust in mind-numbing amounts.
My boyfriend and I have date night like every week, and I'd say we go for pizza about once a month.
Little does she know that once-a-month date is with death.
I'm not a huge fan of pizza, but Daniel loves it, so I generally just get a salad and maybe I eat a few of his crusts.
At 2 crusts per month, that's over 24 tons of pizza crust if you multiply the number of crusts she eats per year times a ton.
I love pizza, but I don't like the crusts. And Cindy is the opposite. So it works out really well for us.
Most enablers are well-meaning, but in actuality, it's their encouragement that causes the victim to escalate their behavior to dangerous levels.
Sometimes I like to dip the crust in some salad dressing or marinara sauce before I eat it.
Marinara, aka the gateway sauce.
I don't really see it as a problem. We're pretty healthy. We eat right, we exercise, and pizza's more of a treat.
We've called in an expert to help this couple out before it's too late.
She eats a few crusts each month. That is not a medical problem. That is not a problem. I wish I had that problem.
Do you? Sent into a downward spiral after her grandmother's sudden death, Cindy turned to the only thing that gave her comfort. Tons upon tons of life-ruining pizza crust.
Are we finished?
An addict's journey is never truly finished. 87% of food abusers relapse within the first year. Cindy has a long road in front of her. A long, soft, chewy, glutinous road.
Wait, you want me to eat that? A stranger chewed on that. I'm not a freak.
No, you're not, Cindy. You're just a f***ed up eater whose favorite pizza topping is denial.